I want to talk about this recent shit show by the CDC in terms of sunsetting the Bridge Access program early and not telling anyone about it. So on August 22nd, the CDC sunsetted its Bridge Access program, which had provided free COVID vaccines to 1.5 million Americans over the past year. Where, as recently as August 20th, ABC News had released a segment saying that the Bridge Access program was going to last until August 31st, as shown here in the above. And this was coming from Dr. Richard Besser, the former acting director of the CDC. But again, just 2 days later, they sunsetted the program. Additionally, nowhere on the website were we told that the Bridge Access program would not be available for the updated 2024-2025 vaccine, despite the vaccine having been made available by CVS by August 28th, which was before the Bridge Access program was publicly stated to have ended. Where again, no one was told of the actual end date, and the CDC didn't tell us that it couldn't be used for the updated vaccines, even if it was still within that time frame. Where again, the CDC's page did not clarify any of this information. A sliver of good news is that the CDC did announce that it has allocated $62 million for state and local health departments to buy vaccines for uninsured and underinsured people. Unfortunately, right now we don't have the details on how that will be done yet, meaning that there are going to be delays in implementation of this program, and we're seeing this quote again where people may fall by the wayside, these people being the underinsured and uninsured. Additionally, it's incredibly hard to know just how many people are currently hospitalized with COVID complications, as hospitals have not been required to report COVID cases to the federal government since May, but as a requirement of the respiratory virus reports, these hospitalization numbers will resume on November 1st. And something also in the works is the Biden administration has proposed funding a 10-year Vaccines for Adults program in the proposed budget for next fiscal year, but Congress could still reject this, so this is not a guarantee. And currently the Vaccines for Adults program has ended. However, the Vaccines for Children's program is still active. This is for people 18 years and under. So if you're underinsured and uninsured and have kids, you can still get them vaccinated at least.